Meaning of hasp.
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 Hasp. Hasp refers to a metal fastener with a hinged part that fits over a staple and is secured by a padlock or key. It is commonly used in locking doors, gates, and containers. Hasps can come in various sizes and designs, including straight, swivel, and hinge hasps. The term hasp can also be used metaphorically to describe a means of securing or protecting something. Overall, a hasp provides a simple and effective form of security for items that need to be locked up or kept safe.